Take this example. Look, let's check. What is the condition given? What it's saying is, Ravi going to market with his friend to buy clothes. Ravi buy 3 shirts and 6 pair of jeans from a shop, and the total cost of your purchase comes out to be rupees 7,000. Now Ravi's friend, on the other hand, buys 2 shirts and 3 pair of jeans, and the total cost of his purchase comes out to be 3,855. Now what is asking? Okay, he's asking to formulate this in terms of what do you call your system of, what do you call linear equation in 2 variables. Then find the value or find the price of each, the shirt and the pair of jeans. That's what he's asking. Yeah.
So the price of shirt is 710 rupees.
Price of shirt is
710 rupees.
Perfect. Your price of shirt is 710 rupees. That's a perfect answer. What about pair of jeans? Yeah.
Sir, 811.
811 approximately.
Yes, sir, approximately.
Yes, approximately 811. Perfect answer. Perfect. Anyone else? Arnav has given the answer. So let's understand this. Yeah. Check this. What is saying? Ravi is going to the market with his friend to buy clothes. Now he's talking about shirts and pair of jeans. Ravi buys 3 shirts and 6 pair of jeans from a shop, and the total cost of purchase comes out to be 7,000. Similarly, Ravi's friend, on the other hand, buys 2 shirts and 3 pair of jeans, and the total cost of its purchase comes out to be 3,855. That is 3,855. So how will you formulate this in terms of linear equation? Simple. What do you do? Let the cost of shirts be, what do you do? X. Okay, let's talk. It's talking about number of shirts now. Let the cost of shirts be X. Similarly, let the cost of pair of jeans be Y. Let us assume, the cost of shirt be X, and let the cost of pair of jeans be Y. Now, according to first condition, what is that? Ravi buys 3 shirts. Ravi buys 3 shirts and 6 pair of jeans. The total cost is 7,000. So according to given condition, X is a cost of shirt. So 3 shirts means 3X. Y is the cost of pair of jeans. So 6 pairs means 6Y. Now what is the total cost is occurring? 7,000. This is your first one. Done. Is this clear? This is your first one. What is the second condition? Write the second condition. Let me make some space. Okay, I'll write that here. Okay, it's okay. Let's leave that. Let's come back to our question. What is asking? According to first condition, what is that? Your cost of each shirt is X and cost of pair of jeans is Y. So according to given condition, clearly, if you observe, Ravi is buying 3 shirts and 6 pair of jeans. So total cost is 7,000. So he buys 3 shirts. Cost of each shirt is X. So 3X is the total cost. Is buying 6 pair of jeans. Each pair costs Y. So total cost is 6Y. So 3X plus 6Y is How much? It is 7,000. Now let's check the second condition. Now according to second condition, okay, let me include a sheet here. Right, let's go for the second condition. Let's try the second condition. What is the second condition is? Let's check the second condition. Now, according to second condition is friend. What is doing his friend? His friend is buying 2 shirts and 3 pair of jeans. Ravi's friend buys how much? 2 shirts and 3 pair of jeans. 2 shirts and 3 pair of jeans. What is the total cost it's occurring? Total cost incurring is how much? Let's check. What is the total cost?
710.
How much it is? 3,855. So 2 shirts means total cost is 2x. 3 pair of jeans means total cost is 3y. So total cost 2x plus 3y is 3,855. Here's the second equation. Now what do you have? Your first equation 3x plus 6y is equal to 7,000. The second equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 3,855. Let's solve 1 and 2. Let's solve 1 and 2. What is the first equation? It is 3x plus 6y is equal to 7,000. X plus 6y is equal to 7,000. Second, 2x plus 3y is equal to 3,855. How will you solve this? How will you solve this?
So
what do you
we can multiply the second equation with 2 to make 3y equal to 6.
Yes, 3y equal. So multiply the second equation with 2 to make 3y equal. So what do you have? So this is 3x plus 6y is equal to 7,000 is your first equation. Now if you multiply this entire equation with 2, 4x plus 6y is equal to how much this is? 2 5 is 10, 2 5 is 10, 11, 2 8 16, 7, 1, 2 3 6, 7. I'm sure. Is that? Subtract this. If you subtract this, what do you get? Subtract this, what do you get? Let's check. Here, if you subtract this, minus, 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 3x minus 4x is minus x. This gets cancelled. And 7,000 minus this one is minus 710. Therefore, x is 710. Is that? Substitute in 1 or 2. You know, do one thing. Substitute in 1. Substitute in 1, you'll get the value of y, which is nothing but, you know, the value or the cost of your pair of jeans. Is this clear? Is this clear? That's how you formulate the given condition in terms of equation, a system of linear equations or linear equation in 2 variables, and solve the questions. Means solving the linear equations. You have 2 methods. One is called elimination method, where what you're doing, you're equating the coefficients. You're either subtract or divide, subtract or add, eliminate one of the variable to get the value of other variable. First thing, what is the first one? Substitution method. In substitution method, we directly represent one variable in terms of other and solve the equations and get the values of variables. Is this clear? So it's a simple question. This is what the question is. I'm sure you've already done it. Shall we move ahead? Shall we go for the next question?